Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do butterfly bounces. Now obviously it's going to be really helpful if you already know how to do a butterfly. Link to the clip for the butterfly in the description below, but if you're ready for one of these it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now there's multiple ways of ending a butterfly and bounce variations. This isn't the ending we used at the end of the butterfly. This is one of the other options, so we're just giving you more choices, but you could use this ending on a normal butterfly and you could use the butterfly ending on this one. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right, starts exactly the same as butterfly, semicircle back off the hand, in across the chest like a yo-yo with the right hand with shaking hands grip behind the back. As we twist the ladies out, ladies going back on the right, guys are heading over to the left, so we're offset from each other. What we're going to do from here, guys, we're going to head over to the right, we're going to pull with the left to bring the lady across, and the right comes up to the shoulder. And the other thing we need to do is we need to change from this grip to the guy being underneath, because we're going to need that to do the bounces. From here we're going to pull down to the right with the right hand, bringing the left up, so we bounce over, and you probably want to keep a little bit of eye contact happening on the bounces. We can then go back over again by pull down to the left with the left, right hand coming up to the shoulder. As many as you want to do, we're going to do there and back twice. So we're going to head back over to the left, and at this point the different ending. So we're going to bring the left hand up over the guy, guy's turning right, take the left over the lady, so we're taking the lady in a return direction, right hand up as well. Then you can either end as an accordion or drop both hands and end for a cross-handed grip. So now let's think numbers. We go semicircle back and offer, 1, in across the chest, 2, twisting the lady out and heading left, 3, bouncing over to the right with switch of the hand grip, 4, and back, 5, and back, 6, and back, 7, turning towards the lady, we get return 8, and back 1. Okay, we're ready. Let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, butterfly, bounces. It's offer, in, look, change hands, look, 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 return, and back. And that's it. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you find that useful out on the dance floor. If you are finding the videos useful, do please like the videos that you're finding helpful, subscribe, that helps promote the channel, and if you hit the notification bell you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never have to miss anything. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and we'll have a music recommendation on the end. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.